Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? This is my market wrap-up for today, Wednesday, October 25th, 2017. As many of you know, I could not post a video earlier today. It seemed that, basically this is what happened. I finally get in touch with YouTube, who would not let me post a video earlier today. And it appears that over the past several days, this channel, my channel, has gotten an overwhelming amount of flags, whatever that means. And because of that, they were restricting my use of this channel. They don't answer any questions. However, I was able to get them to put me back on. However, again, this is insane. I'm on probation. I am on probation here, and this is where I need all of you. So again, apparently my channel, despite the fact that if you look at the ratio of thumbs up to thumbs down, it is overwhelming. Thumbs up, they don't want to hear about it. You see, in the United States now, it is the minority that rules. It's not the majority. The minority, and this is something that we've seen throughout history, always seems to cause the most problems. I mean, the Nazis were a minority, and look at what happened over there during World War II, just to put a perspective on it. And here in the United States, I mean, it's unbelievable what's going on, and it's bleeding off to places like YouTube. And this is why I need all of you. I've been out here for a really long time trying to put a perspective on all this for you. So look, let's do this, because now it seems that whoever's out here flagging my videos is going to continue to do that. I need you. I need you here. If you want these videos to continue, I'm going to need your help. That is, it takes a split second. If you're watching this on YouTube, because there's where the problem is, right down here, you can give me a thumbs up or you can give me a thumbs down. I know I'm going to get an enormous amount of thumbs down now. This is how they play this. So I'm asking you to please give me a thumbs up. It gives me ammunition, and so I can fight back to these people. Share these videos. Show people that it's important. Because without all of you, this whole thing with YouTube, it's over for me. And I've come back here because of, again, overwhelming demand. Greg, come back to YouTube. We miss you here. Well, here I am, and I need you. Show me that you care. All right, just a simple thumbs up and share this video. Get it out there. Otherwise, they win. The minority wins again. Okay? But we'll see how that goes here. I need you. I'll have your back. You know, I hope you have mine as well. With that said, let's sum up this market today. It's insane. All right. So, the bond market. I know you're all watching the bond market. That was the big talk today on the mainstream financial channel, CNBC. Cash continued to lead the bond market today, and the U.S. 10-year yield, I think when I just looked at it, was 2.45. I mean, it was 2.42 yesterday. So nothing overly dramatic is going on. The stock market initially had a drop of around 200 points. It did finish down about 117, I think, referring to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. However, again, this may be a setup here for this market to make a leg higher. Or cash is going to go back into the bond market. Now, let's look at this a little bit. Again, cash comes out of the bond market. It simply looks for places to go. Now, again, a little bit of cash still came out of the bond market today, came out of the derivatives of gold and silver as well today. So that cash is kind of waiting. It wants to see how earnings are going to progress. There's earnings being reported right now as I am doing this video blog. Also, a lot of tech. You got Apple earnings. You got Google this week. It's huge. So this cash is either going to move into the stock market, pushing us higher and higher and higher again. We haven't had any kind of a pullback in years. This is unbelievable. It's actually historic. We've never seen a time like this in history where we haven't had a pullback in years. It's not normal. I think you know that. So let's watch the bond market again. And where can you watch it? Exactly. Right on my website, traderschoice.net, right side of the page, right underneath my chat room, for which I am so happy to see more of you people using. The chat room has been full most of the day. I was in there earlier going nuts with this whole YouTube thing. Okay, so we're going to watch the bond market. Again, cash came out of it today. It's kind of sitting there. It doesn't know what to do. Stocks sold off today. If this sell-off continues, I have no idea if it's going to. Again, I would love to see this market burn some off. It needs to burn some off, but it seems like nothing can stop it. I want to know who's doing all the buying here. It's kind of incredible. Let's talk about something else that's incredible. Yesterday, I think I talked about Nike. Ticker NKE. I said, looks like it was going to roll over. Well, did you watch Nike today? I bought puts on Nike this morning. Nike rolled over nice. Down, 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 down. All of a sudden, in the blink of an eye, this thing shoots up like 3% because apparently the CEO said something that got everybody excited. Not just Nike, but the whole market seem to spontaneously rebound off of those lows. Now, I don't know if that's going to continue tomorrow. We're going to keep an eye on that. It's just incredible what they can do. Like, simultaneously, everyone just starts buying down. All of a sudden, boom, 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 boom. They start buying across the board. I mean, this is algorithms. There's no doubt about it. And we're going to see how that plays out, too, over the next several days. Again, the market is ridiculous. Needs to burn some off. We haven't had a pullback in a historic amount of time. I don't know if we're going to get one. I'd like to think we're going to get one, but you just never know here. So we're going to watch this. We're going to move cash around accordingly. We're going to use this new sale on gold and silver to our advantage. Let them play their games. We're going to play ours as well. All right, just one last time. This guy, my channel, is on probation. I'm on probation because apparently a minority of you out there don't like my videos, don't like me, don't like my followers, don't like my subs. Okay, well, let's see what we can do here. And I'm calling on every single one of you right now who thinks that this is important, that enjoys these market reports that I do, takes a split second. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share these videos. Otherwise, they're going to shut me down permanent next time. And who knows, maybe it's tomorrow. If that's the case, I'm going to still post over on Steemit. You don't have to join Steemit, but follow my blogs over there. With that said, let's see what we can do here, people. I need you. I got your back. I hope you have mine. Watch that freaking bond market, too. I'll see you tomorrow morning. I hope.